Hello everyone, I'm Dave Watson from Alachua County Public Schools here in Gainesville, Florida. And today I'd like to take some time out to shoot a quick video, informative video, to show you some of our practices and procedures used here to ensure a healthy and safe learning environment for faculty, students, and staff. So without further ado, we'll check in with the front office and use our personal protective equipment, mask and gloves, and let those folks know we're here to take a tour of the school and show you some of the things that are going on at Meadowbrook. I'd like to begin by showing you our custodial room with our chemical dispensing system. And I feel pretty safe in this environment here. It's already been cleaned, there's no students or staff around. So I'm going to remove my mask so you can clearly hear me for obvious reasons. And we may have to put on our PPE later as more faculty or student staff arrive for picking up whatever. Okay, so today the vehicle that conveys us forward for our custodial needs is our chemical dispensing unit. And what we've done is we've put together our 4 core products, being our glass cleaner, our pH neutral cleaner for flooring, for VCT floors, our all-purpose degreaser for bathrooms, and the star of our show, which is our Nutricide 256, which is a hospital-grade disinfectant. It kills a variety of organisms and pathogens to the tune of 40 plus, which includes MRSA, AIDS, staph, and also human coronavirus. We'll be using this product exclusively to wipe down many surfaces. This is a closed loop system with a lockable feature where we can lock the device, taking the key, ensuring that no one punctures the units. It automatically dispenses chemicals through a dilution tip located in the top of each container. This is a manufacturer's product that dispenses the manufacturer's suggested dilution ratio for each product. Now, we'll be filling up a few bottles today. We mark the bottles as best we can. If most come with labels, if not, we can get labels. But if you have bigger bottles, it's always good to label with larger letters so it's clearly visible. Here we have the autofill for our spray bottles. You simply push in, activate the fingers on the top, and it fills each bottle. Correctly diluted every time, with no manual glug or hand mixing. For our larger bottles that will not fit this application, we would use the mop hose and use the button at the top to dispense into our larger pump sprayers or smaller sprayers such as this one. This normally would be used to fill mop buckets. However, we can use it to fill our smaller pump spraying bottles. Each unit comes with a wall chart and clearly displays what each product's for and how it's numbered. You can also go on nclonline.com and you can pull the safety data sheets and any specification sheets that you would need for these products. So what we'll do is we will take our already filled containers and we'll go join the crew already in process of cleaning the cafeteria. Everybody's doing a deep cleaning of the tables, walls, doors. All surfaces are wiped down. Anything students or staff touch using our Nutricide 256, our school board hospital grade disinfectant, leaving no surfaces untouched. We're in a group restroom. This has already been deep cleaned, shower scrubbed, and now we're disinfecting all the surfaces. Make sure we get an ample amount, especially our doorways, on the doors, flat surfaces, partitions, anywhere the kids would normally touch. Now this would be the correct procedure for doing this process. He's letting the chemical sit on the surface and dwell for anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes, and we'll come back with a complete wipe down. Added to the group restrooms, we do have, elementary schools have a bathroom in each classroom, which would also be wiped down top to bottom. And this one has already been done. Any walls or surfaces that kids would normally touch down of all the during the day desks, top to bottom, all the chairs, tables, table legs. Any walls or surfaces that the kids would normally touch during the day, we would disinfect, spraying them down. And there's our pole scrubber, which you can also have used in the bathroom. Cover more surface at once. Now for any of our remote locations, such as the portables or our dumpster areas where we'd like to disinfect, we do have our portable unit. It will fill any of your containers. Simple push of a button. Also with the twist, pull, becomes a foam gun. You can foam our dumpster areas down. Disinfecting all the surfaces there. And with a simple untwist, where it connects to the solution bottle, it becomes a mini pressure cleaner. We can spray off any surfaces that have been decontaminated. The whole secret to our solution is the dilution tips become impregnated in each bottle, which determine the dilution ratio of our chemical. Click back on and turn. We're back in business to fill any of our remote units, maybe on the other side of the campus where we don't have a chemical dispensing system. We're here with Mr. King this morning, head custodian here at Meadowbrook Elementary, getting ready to apply the stripper to this floor. All the furniture has been disinfected and it's now in the hallway. Mr. King is applying our bare bones solution, which is a stripping agent and lifts the wax up. I'm going to stop Mr. King just for a moment and introduce him some of our stripper paws that we've been using throughout the district. And these are one size fit all, obtainable from Cypress Supply, one of our vendors. Dollars per pair. They'll fit boots, tennis shoes, whatever overshoe they might happen to be using. And they mitigate our slip and falls, which risk management does not like. And ensures the safety of our custodial staff. Okay. Come in the front, come up to the back of the shoe. So they go around the back, securing to the back. And we flip them over and put that over the top. This is made out of the same stripping pad material that we have on our pads. Very aggressive. Once again, these are the Paul's stripper pads available from Cypress Supply. Mr. King has moved from the back of the classroom to the front. Normally within about 10 to 12 minutes, that wax will start to emulsify and lift off the ground, and we can start scrubbing. Mr. King is cutting or braiding into the floor to reduce the chances of slip and fall as the wax is lifted up off the ground in most of the classroom. Now, this classroom has been already stripped, and this is our second coat of wax that's been applied to the floor. He's using a standard mop, so we're going for 4 coats. If we were using microfiber, we would shoot for 5, as microfiber goes on much thinner. If you were to apply a 5th coat, it would take a second day to cure out. This is our custodial room. where Mr. King has all his equipment stored. Everything is clean, wiped down, ready for immediate use, which is very important when this machinery is put up. It costs the district a lot of money to buy these machines, and we like to keep them up as best as possible. Mr. King is also very well organized. We'll do a quick pan around the room. I hope this has been an informative video. I appreciate everyone's time and hard work.